are, guys. Downshift is real. So fun. That's fun. Tunnel's always fun. Even when you're not going really fast, you just hear your exhaust. It's probably annoying for the cars, but sounds fun for us. Okay guys, I guess we're gonna do the loop. Crossing Mills, Highway 17, 64 Ave and home. Yeah, my bike is not as, it's not really a powerful bike. It's a 300cc, but I'm telling you, it does the job, guys. Highway speeds, no problem. And it's a perfect beginner's bike, to be honest. Like a few years ago, I made the mistake of buying a higher cc bike. I bought a Suzuki GXSR 600cc, and let me tell you, I did not have fun on that motorcycle, guys. Like, I could barely turn the damn thing. On top of that, I was a noob. I didn't have any experience. I didn't take any schooling, and let me tell you guys, like, I had like let's say I bailed on it. It was too heavy. I was making a right, again inexperience, and the car was turning left, and I panic brake because I was pretty much gonna go in the same lane as the guy that was turning left. So I mid turn I panic braked, and obviously you're gonna fall. And I mean, I got up and rode my bike again, but I never really built enough confidence to go challenge my MST. So my L expired, and I never even got a chance to challenge my MST because I wasn't comfortable on the motorcycle. And you know what? It took me like a few years after that. Because back at the time, none of my friends were riding motorcycles. And then a year later, I kind of like gave up on it for a bit. They started to all have motorcycles. So one of my buddy texted me, he's like, oh, I'm getting a motorcycle. So I decided to take up on it again. me tell you guys, that was the best $800 that I ever spent, to be honest, because you have in class for a couple hours, teach you guys, you know, what you have to know for the road test, and you know, on the road, what lane positioning you're gonna be, and things like that. And then you have like a full day of, you know, parking lot, doing maneuvers, slow speeds, and they teach you how to, you know, turn your bike quickly or stand up your bike if you have to brake during mid-corner, things like that. And it also includes the MST test at the end of the day, on your last day. So, you know what? I had trouble doing that MST course, guys, on a small bike. Could you imagine doing it on a 600cc? Yeah, so I managed to pass it anyways, and to be honest, I'm still a new rider. Like, there's so much to learn. And last week I went to a track day with the Pit Meadows track, and it was a small course again, set up in a parking lot. And let me tell you guys, this thing had like a lot of turns. Like, it's pretty much all turns actually. There's no straights, it's just slow speed turns. And it was pretty challenging, technical, a lot of tight turns. And you know, I kept missing, like especially one turn I kept missing it. And I thought to myself, wow, this is a good experience for me. At least I'm making mistake and it's in a pavement. Because could you imagine, guys, if, you know, complete noob, and then you went out on the road, like let's say out in the, you know, the mountains, clip on the side, and then a turn like that came up. Now I would probably have gone off the cliff, to be honest. And yeah, that's a scary feeling, you know what I mean? So best thing to do is learn, go to those track events, improve yourself. I mean, that's what I'm doing. And you know what, after doing that track day, actually it helped me a lot. Like, gave me a little bit of a more confidence, especially left turns, right turns. Feels a lot easier now than it was before. And I can't wait for next year again, guys. Can't wait for next year again. I'm actually thinking of upgrading now, like my motorcycle. But to be honest, I love this Ninja 300, guys. This is my bread and butter for my channel too. So I don't know if I ever want to sell this Ninja 300. I think if anything, I'm gonna keep it and use it on the track, you know. But we shall see, guys, we shall see. Well, this light's taking forever. Gas up here, guys. I'm gonna gas up just to be on the safe side. I mean, I still got a lot of gas, but I always like to have my gas full tank or half. Yeah, so anyone thinking of taking up on riding, I suggest start with a smaller cc bike. Ninja 300, I gotta tell you, is like perfect. I mean, maybe even a 400 would be good. But this for sure is a lot cheaper, guys. Ninja 300. Yes, we're rolling. So yeah, guys, I'm using Hero 4 right now with a mic setup. I hope I'm getting good audio. Some dead bugs in my helmet, guys. Up a bit with my gloves. We got full tank, guys.